In this video, the basic structure of engineering assets and facility maintenance management system is explained, in line with ISO 55000 or 41000 quality standards. Topics are: advantages of standardization and consequences of their absence, engineering assets and facility maintenance management life cycle, its components and details. Now discussion is, need and history of maintenance management. Maintenance is the routine and recurring process of keeping a particular machine, equipment, or a facility in its normal, operating condition, safely and efficiently to deliver expected performance or service. With the growth of industrialization and automation, the machines and equipment are more complex, which started a separate discipline of engineering asset and facility maintenance management. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, design, and its maintenance of any typical facility is also a major concern, as it is the same as lungs for the human body. It cleans air, recirculates, and ventilates according to need. Now we discuss the effectiveness of quality standards. Most people don't think value when they hear about quality standards. Standards shows how to turn physical asset and facility management into a competitive advantage. Adopting an ISO approach enables an organization to achieve its objectives through the effective and efficient management. In Pakistan, the understanding and effectiveness with these standards and codes need to be reinforced widely. Due to this limitation, we usually face premature failures of our equipment or assets, facilities, industries, and particularly buildings. Most organizations have no need to get ISO 55000 or 41000 certification. Certification is not the goal. What ISO 55000 or 41000 offers is a proven method for managing physical assets in a way that maximizes hard and soft dollar or Pak rupee value. It's not about getting certified or achieving compliance. It's about aligning your organization with globally accepted recommendations for asset or facility management excellence. Brief introduction of ISO quality standards. Guiding principle defines management responsibility. Leadership and workplace culture are determinants of realization of value. Leadership and commitment from all managerial levels is essential for the success. Provides a universal framework for managing the use of engineering or physical assets, such as mobile or fixed operating plant and equipment or a place. Downward responsibilities: planning, support, operation, performance evaluation and improvement. Here is about maintenance engineering. Maintenance is the physical actions required keeping as close and as much as feasible the original condition of a physical asset or a facility with compensating the normal wear and tear. Physical activities needed to hold or to keep a section of equipment, machine, or system to the certain workable conditions to achieve its maximum useful life in a safe and efficient way, in line with best practices and international applicable standards is the maintenance engineering. In conclusion of this discussion, here is sustainable module of maintenance management structure of ISO 55000 or 41000, covering all aspect, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Feedback from controlling to planning is a continuous quality improvement process. Another view of engineering assets and facility maintenance management, in line with ISO or relevant quality standard, steps starting from organization's goal, management directions, then policies, procedures, finally key performance indicators. Data is the resource for decisions, supported by building automation and computerized maintenance management system. This is the life cycle of any engineering asset or facility, starts from need, then acquire, maintain, at the end, its upgrade or disposal decision. Improper policy or any missing procedure of EAFMM system can cause serious consequences and turns into disasters. Don't let this happen to you. You watch in this video about EAFMMT basic structure. Give your feedback about this video in comments. Our next video topic is, how to develop your quality policy manual and procedures. Visit our website for more details. You can also contact us at Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, or email. Subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.